Good morning. I think we're on day 7 today, which is exciting. I stepped on the scale and I went from 249, I think it was 234. I need to post a picture. I'm just tired. I woke up at 5:30 today, well 5:40 something, because it's my first day of school. I don't want to go to school, especially so early. I tried to plan my classes so they wouldn't be this early, but I had to take one class last minute because I had to remove another one since I cannot do physical education at the moment. So that kind of sucks. My classes were supposed to start like at 10 in the morning and end at I think it was like 5. No, it was 3:30. That was a more friendly schedule, like to leave the kids and all that. But now I gotta wake them up early, get them out, get them ready. So that'll suck for the semester. Next one, hopefully I can take classes later than that. But I just wanted to say good morning. I'm gonna start prepping breakfast for me, for the kids, and just get it going. So the kids' lunch are ready. I'm just gonna cover them up and we're pretty much ready to go because it is getting late. I gotta be at school around 30 minutes before just to get parking because the first days it gets like that. So I'm trying a new creamer. It's hazelnut nut butt. I'm sorry, it doesn't have any milk or sugar, so we'll see how good it is. I'm gonna make a coffee for my breakfast and I'm gonna eat a bar. This is what my breakfast looks like. Mi desayuno and coffee. El cafecito. Let's go, you guys. It's late. Vámonos. Morning, brother. Oh my god, I'm in the car. Oh, it's so hot. I came to drop off a backpack because I thought we were gonna have like health education. I was gonna like a health assessment or something. So I brought it clothes and shoes, and I just came to the car, which I parked so far away, to drop those off. And I'm just sitting here in the air conditioner because it's too hot. I'm wearing flats and I just feel the heat going through the flats. It's horrible. I can't even talk. Horrible. Well, that's just normal status for me, but you know. You can play with the toys, con los juguetes. Like, Link didn't see you in a week. No te vio en una semana.
Try just a little bit.
That's good.
Looks like
Let me try more. Okay, let me say it again. Avery is gonna make this peanut butter, Reese's peanut butter cup with the stuff that they send us the meals. I don't know how, but I know he's making one of those because he's craving it. It's part of his fueling, so he's gonna take advantage and make one. It is pretty cool to be able to make whatever you're craving or close to it and still lose the weight. This morning I was down 15 pounds, and tomorrow I'm gonna officially weigh myself and see how much did I lose in total for 1 week. We're gonna send the kids to sleep already. He was changing Link's diaper. Where is this here? Hazme campito, please. Pa' allá. Ooh. So it's peanut butter and chocolate brownie. Avery made the peanut butter. And this is my dinner. It smells really good. I think I'm getting in those days where I really need to eat a lot of chocolate and spicy stuff. Look at that. It looks awesome.
Reese's peanut butter cup.
How do you like your Reese's peanut butter? Cold?
Cold.
Helado? Let me try. Oh my god. Guilt free. Libre de culpas. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.
I'll talk to you tomorrow. Hey guys, oh, tomorrow we are actually telling how much we've lost. So it's the official weigh-in.
It's like 60 pounds in 3 days.
And from there, I'm just gonna start posting weekly updates on this channel, and then I'm gonna start posting these vlogs on the actual vlog channel. Makes it so much easier and organized. Bye!